All right, guys, 2025 Ram RHO. We're going to let you guys hear it with straight pipes, and we're going to test a bunch of different mufflers on it. So right now, we just cut the muffler off. So here's the first one. This is straight pipe. Hey, boss. Stand over here so you're out of the cold. So that's straight pipe. Give it gas. So the RHAs come with an H pipe instead of an X. I'll let you guys know that. We're gonna test Vibrant. We're gonna test Dynomax. We're gonna test BIGBOZ. We're gonna test Borla, and that's it. There we go. Now it's idled down. Here we go. That was a cold start. Go ahead. That's straight pipe. Sound decibels on it, go ahead. This straight pipe is 95, bro. You see how quiet it is? Yeah, it's crazy. One more. Alright, so that's straight pipe. Stay tuned. The first ones we're gonna do is the Dynomax race bullets. Right there. Here's the part number, 24250s. If you guys been on our channel for long, you know about these. So here we go. Go ahead. Definitely deeper than straight pipe, you know. Give it gas. Remember, we're still going to add an X pipe too, you know? Again. Dynomax race bullets, guys. Sound decibels, go ahead. So at peak it's 97, but it's around 95 basically. One more. So that's the Dynomax race bullet, part number 24250. Go ahead and turn it off. Next we're doing the BIGBOZ 5s right here. As you guys can see, they look funky. Look at. If you guys wonder what they look like on the inside, that's what they look like on the inside. Here we go, BIGBOZ, go ahead. Give it gas. It's completely different. Again. One more. So that's BIGBOZ. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. This one's 90. It's at 99, almost 100. Yes. Again. One more. All right. Turn it off. The next setup we're doing is the Vibrant Borla resonators, 18-inch long. Part number, they changed it. They made it so small now. Vibrant, if you're watching, go back to the old design. We hate this new paper you guys came up with. $17.95. See how long it took me to figure out the part number? Why? Why you gotta make it so tiny? Anyways, back to the action. Vibrant 1795s. Right away you hear a difference. It's deeper. Give it gas. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. This one's 95. 95 decibels. Again. All right, turn it off. Borla ProXS's. Double mufflers. Part number 40359. 40359. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, as you guys can see. Give it gas. That's the Borla ProXS's, guys. One more. He's probably gonna go with these. I'm pretty sure. But let me. No?
No!
That's the ones you originally came in for.
No, that's the ones you originally told me to do.
Okay. Never mind. He's not going with it. They're very boring.
Yeah.
But for what you want. Again? Give it gas. That's crazy. It's blowing enough air that it's coming out of there, even though it's separated. Here, sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 91.3. One more. All right, turn it off. All right, guys, so what we're doing now is we're gonna do BIGBOZ and Dynomax race bullets, because he loves the BIGBOZ, but he wants it more refined a little bit. So he's like, put the Dynomax in too with it and see what happens. So here we go. All right, guys, 2025 RHO. So we showed you guys what, with all the tests and everything, what we've done to it. So let me show you guys what we finally came up with. Here we go. So it's got cats up there. It's an inline 6, twin turbo. One of the pipes goes this way, one goes here and over here, and then it's crazy. It's just all over the place. Look, it goes here this way, then it goes this way, out, and then it comes into an H pipe there. What we decided to do is put 2 BIGBOZ and 2 Dynomax. So we married the 2 together, or 4, because it's true dual, together as you can see. So the BIGBOZ goes there, Dynomax race bullets goes right behind them. Here's the part numbers on the Dynomax, and here's the BIGBOZ. They're the BIGBOZ 5s, 3-inch. Dynomax and BIGBOZ married each other for this RHO. There they are. Looks really nice and really clean, as you guys can see. It does have resonators. It's on each side. There they are there. Same thing on this side. They use the Chevy style, like sifter kind of resonators. And that's what it looks like out the back right there. And there's the stock muffler that was on it. And he had the valves wide open. So there they are. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. RHO. So it does have resonators in the back, by the way. But they're the like sifter kind of in the pipe. It's still moving. I love it. But remember, that's a cold start too. So cold start, about 86. So it's going down. Now it's 80, 78. Give it gas. The barbell, bro. Again. little bit, just normal gas, let's say. Let's see what it sounds. Go ahead. That's not bad. Hey, give it one heart and take your foot off. Let's see if it barbles. One. Nice. I like it. Again? Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 99.3. That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your RHO needs. Got a 740 in there, a diesel in there. Just do it all, guys. Love the look of the RHO. I don't know, TRX or RHO? What do you guys think? RHO has the inline 6. He says it's good for a daily commuter. I like that tone. BIGBOZ and Dynomax together. Do you approve? You like it? He likes it. Again? Yeah, it's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. RHO Ram Hurricane got finished. Look at that beefy stance on it. That's not bad at all. I like it. Anyways, it's got the Dynomax race bullets and BIGBOZ combination. Yeah, that's not crazy loud. That's perfect actually on that Hurricane inline 6. Enjoy, guys.